Let's start with connecting data sources. To connect your data source, simply go to the right side panel and click on Integrations. On the left side, you can see all available data sources. On the right side, you'll find the data sources you've already connected. I've connected 2 data sources, so you can see both listed on the right. Now, from the left side, choose any available data source you want to connect. For example, let's connect Google Ads. To connect a data source, click the plus button next to the data source name. After clicking the plus button, an authentication pop-up will open. Select your email, allow all permissions, and then click Continue. Your data source will be connected successfully. You'll now see Google Ads available on the right side. Click on the arrow to open the drop-down. You'll see your connected account listed there. But how do you connect your client's account? Most clients won't share their credentials for security reasons. With StatNexa, it's simple. Click the link button to copy a secure connection link. Share this link with your client so they can authorize their account. Once they complete authentication, their account will appear under Connected Integrations.